Welcome back to my shop, guys. So this is a small announcement, just a short video. I'm gonna put this on YouTube and on Facebook, just announcing my arrival to Maker Central 2020. Now you might see the sign here with all the stickers that I have won 2 years ago, Maker Central 2018, and just to show off. You might win one of those this year if they're doing the raffle at the end of the show this year as well. So just so you'll know, Maker Central is in Birmingham in the NEC Convention Center. It's going to be from the 2nd of May through to the 3rd of May. It's going to be a Saturday and a Sunday. I'm coming a day in advance, so I'll be able to spend the night partying with the guys coming to the event. And I'm going to stay an extra day to party with the guys that are staying an extra day at the event. So don't miss out on Maker Central. I'm going to put the links to buy the tickets and everything in the description of the video. If it's on YouTube, I'm sorry, and on Facebook, I'm going to put those links in the post as well. So please, guys, don't ignore my plea. Come to Maker Central. Come meet all the makers. Come and enjoy a couple of days with a lot of other makers and YouTubers. People from all over the world are going to be there. And it's just going to be a fun event. So I hope to see you there. Again, if you haven't realized yet, Maker Central 2020, Birmingham, the 2nd and 3rd of May this year.